It's an unlawful.
No
It's an unlawful.
and expired.
Go
so
get.
There's 2 traffic violations.
I want a sergeant. Have I committed a crime? Have I committed a crime? Is your body cam on?
It sure is.
Okay.
So is yours. It's fine.
My lawyer told me to keep my stuff locked in a safe unless you have a warrant.
Okay, do you go by Chris or Christopher?
I don't answer questions, sir. I reserve all of my rights right now.
It's not that big a deal. Okay?
Can I have a lawyer?
What's that?
Lawyer.
Lawyer?
Yeah, I want a lawyer present.
Okay.
Alright, today we're watching a clueless sovereign citizen clash with a straight-to-the-point cop, and trust me, this gets entertaining almost immediately. You really have to see it to believe it. The way this guy attempts to talk himself out of every situation is something else entirely, so stick around because you definitely won't want to miss the chaos that unfolds.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
Hey, I stopped because you don't have a front plate, but also your plates are expired.
That doesn't sound like a valid reason to pull me over.
Yeah. Well, no front plate is a valid reason, and then the expired plates are also a valid reason. So, do you have a driver's license with you, sir?
Do you have a search warrant?
I don't need a search warrant.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Do you have probable cause?
Yeah, the plates.
That's not probable. There's no crime being committed.
Okay. If you'd like to see it that way.
Well, that's law.
Okay. I'll just have you stay here for a minute then, and I'll get another car here. And
Sure,
we'll
go ahead.
take care of things, okay?
Maybe it's because you wouldn't even identify yourself and were acting like a stubborn child about it. Honestly, that's probably exactly why the first officer called for backup. She saw your meltdown coming a mile away and figured, yep, we're definitely going to need the whole squad for this one.
Go ahead and roll down your window,
It's down.
and I'm going to ask you again for your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
I can hear you just fine.
You're going to have to roll down the window so I can hear you.
I can hear you just fine.
Well, I can't hear you, though.
Well, that's not my problem.
Okay? But I'm telling you, the reason for this traffic stop is
It's an unlawful.
no front plate
It's an unlawful.
and expired.
Go
so
get.
There's 2 traffic violations.
I want a
okay?
sergeant.
I have Deputy Sturdy here with me.
Okay,
so I guess
I want a sergeant. Bring a
Okay.
sergeant.
what for?
Because I'm requesting one on site.
But what is a sergeant going to tell you any different?
And what's your badge? What's your name and badge number?
It's Deputy Wick
Wick?
with Lancaster County Sheriff's Office.
What's your number?
902122.
902122.
So you can go ahead and call dispatch and ask to speak to Sergeant Gaston, I believe is on today.
No, ma'am. Request him on site, please.
What's that?
Request.
This guy must be completely out of his mind, acting like calling for the sergeant is somehow going to magically erase his violations or something. Seriously, how about just following the law in the first place and maybe you wouldn't have ended up in this situation to begin with?
It's going to matter.
Because he has more authority than you.
Okay. So if the sergeant comes out here, then you're going to identify yourself and provide a driver's license.
Have I committed a crime? Have I committed a crime?
The crime is the violation of the traffic law that I pulled you over for.
The Supreme Court's ruled in my favor, ma'am.
Well, the Supreme Court says that I can stop you for not having a front plate and expired registrations.
Show me the case law.
So, are you going to comply with my request?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Because it's an unlawful request. Is your body cam on?
It sure is.
Okay,
So is yours. It's fine.
I know. What's this guy's name and badge number?
This is Deputy Sturdy.
Sturdy? Badge number?
I didn't run Christopher.
Huh.
This is Robert's.
Yeah. Hey, Christopher, roll the window down.
I don't answer questions. What's your badge number, sir?
902147.
902147.
Reason she stopped you is you got expired plates. You're not suspended. You're not anything like that. It's registered to Robert, who's sitting right over there. It's not that big a deal. Let's don't make a bigger deal than what we
You're
have.
not getting my ID without a warrant.
Okay.
Or probable cause that I've committed a crime.
Okay.
Not having plates is not a crime.
Here, listen. Do you have your driver's license with you?
I'd bet $500 the sovereign citizen's lawyer never actually said that. These guys act like they can just invent their own laws as if they personally wrote the Constitution, and if he truly had a real lawyer, they'd probably tell him, dude, just show your ID and save everyone the hassle.
It.
So she don't know who you are.
That's
I
not
know-
my problem.
know
I don't
who
need to
you are.
identify to you.
Okay. Will you acknowledge that you're Christopher?
No.
You are.
No.
Okay. And that's Robert over there, the registered owner. So, it's not that big a deal. Do you go by Chris or Christopher?
I don't answer questions, sir. I reserve all of my rights right now.
It's not that big a deal. Okay?
Can I have a lawyer?
What's that?
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Yeah, I want a lawyer present to
Okay.
be questioned by police.
This is you're making them way
No,
more
I'm
difficult.
standing on my rights, sir, which you took an oath to uphold.
Okay, and I'm doing that.
No, you're violating my
No,
rights
I'm not.
right now.
As a motorist in the state of Nebraska.
I'm not a motorist. I'm
You're
traveling down the road.
traveling?
I'm not conducting commerce.
Okay,
I'm not for hire.
okay. It's Christopher and Robert. So just hang tight for me. You're not free to leave.
I gotta have bed for this.
You did. Well, we were going over to Steve's. But then you wanted to roll through Denton.
This guy really had his buddy get out of bed for this, and on top of that he's standing there laughing while wasting the city's public resources. Seriously, come on, you're just making everyone's day worse for the sake of a little bit of drama.
On April 24th at 9 o'clock in Lancaster County, or you can pay the fine plus the court costs. You fill out the back and send it in that way. I am going to need a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to take care of it right down there at that line. Go ahead and sign that.
Nice going. This guy really can't seem to do anything right. It's almost like he's trying to set a world record for messing absolutely everything up in a single go.
Alright, let me go get a copy for you, okay? He's still not free to go, so stay right here.
Yeah, you can absolutely collect all 3 of their business cards right after you pay your ticket for acting like an idiot. I mean, you're basically about to end up with a full set of I didn't follow the law souvenirs.
Alrighty, Chris, here's your citation then, and since I'm not able to improve you have insurance, I'm going to recommend you don't drive away because that's unlawful as well.
Do you have business cards?
I do not. So, but you need to get insurance or be able to show proof of insurance to operate a motor vehicle in the state of Nebraska.
And I
okay?
say next time you guys need to get a warrant.
No, we don't.
You do.
We do not.
You do.
Okay, just leave the courts here then.
Am I free to go?
Just moments before disaster, drop your predictions in the comments. Do you think this genius will leave his car parked, or is he about to drive off and get pulled over again for driving without insurance? Either way, this is about to get pretty hilarious.
Hold that. Just keep it pointed at him.
No, that shit's in here.
It's recording.
Oh, okay. Fine.
That way, right? Bye, ponytail.
Nah, be back to the house.
Why?
Yeah.
I want to go to Steve's now?
I think I've had enough excitement.
Even his own friend doesn't seem to want anything to do with him after that stunt, and honestly I can't blame him because that was seriously embarrassing. The cops decided to leave him alone for the moment, but let's be real, this clown will probably end up back in court before long anyway. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see more hilarious sovereign citizen fails like this.